Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to Gadget. In today's video we're going to talk about Vivo's Apex smartphone concept. Now Vivo has unveiled the Apex, a functioning concept smartphone that introduces some new features to the category. So stay tuned if you want to find out more. The bezel. Smartphone manufacturers all seems to be racing towards a bezel-less screen. To me this confers no useful advantage and is purely aesthetic. I'd not pay more for a phone with no bezel, but apparently the tech fanboy market considers this a desirable feature. The pop-up versus fixed camera. I think the pop-up camera is a very neat idea that handily addresses privacy concerns. While the skeptical part of me fears that moving parts are just another thing that can break, I can't deny that there'd be zero fear your camera was on if the thing is completely retracted. The on-screen fingerprint recognition. I like this feature a lot better than having to scan your face, and I think Vivo's enlargement of the fingerprint reading area is a great UX improvement. The dual fingerprint recognition. I'm not so impressed by the supposed extra security of requiring both of your thumbprints to unlock your phone. If someone can force you to put one thumb on the screen, then they can force you to put both thumbs on the screen. However, this does raise the intriguing possibility of requiring two different people's thumb to unlock certain aspects of the phone, like military weapons that require two sets of keys. I myself have no need of this feature, but I'm sure a married couple might think of a useful application. The glass back. I'm disappointed that Vivo went with the glass back, and I'll never understand why smartphone manufacturers persist in building inherently slippery, slim objects out of a material that can shatter. If the entire indoor and outdoor world were carpeted, this would make more sense. Also take a look at those fingerprints. This thing is like a forensic analyst's dream come true. The headphone jack. I never thought I'd be thankful for the inclusion of the legacy feature, but I'm glad they've included both the standard headphone jack and the USB-C. Now it doesn't appear the company will be producing this exact phone, but is using it to corner feedback. Speaking of which, what are your thoughts on the design features? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Please like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel for more info and update. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.